Yeah, me watch a video a while ago on Unstoppable TV with this pastor man. A chat board. That's why God gave me Bible. Which God you talk about, brother? But I don't want you to tell me which God you talk about. Anyway, God can give you the Bible, of course. But the creator of life and of the universe that create every living things in the sea, underneath the sea, on the earth or underneath the earth, I know him give mankind that the Bible. That the book what they call the Bible. You understand? Not the creator of life give mankind the Bible. Because if you read the Old Testament and some things, look into this now. God make every man equal far as me concerned. So I wanted a nation, I go slave and oppress wanted a nation. And it is in the Bible. What you must do to your slave. One man can work for 7 years. And when he work for 7 years, if he come in your yard, right? If you take him in your yard, and when he come in your yard, and he not come with nothing, and he work for 7 years, he must left with nothing, right? And if he come in your yard, and he come with a woman, or your wife, and if the wife bear children, saying, and when the 7 year done, the wife and the husband supposed to leave and leave the children upon the slave plantation. And if the slave master give the man a wife, and if he bear children when he left, he must have left the wife and left the picnic. Wish creator, right? Uda so wicked to his handmaid, right? When him create from the dust, as we want to say, would I do such things? Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, most of the things where you see them right in the Bible, right? Me can't remember the quote scriptures to tell you, but all of we familiar with all this murdering and this genocide type of living before, and say it's God. God no need man to help him do nothing. You understand? God no need no man to help him to slaughter nobody. You understand? If God wants slaughter, he slaughter. God no need no send no man nowhere to go kill nobody. Most of the Old Testament, God sent Gideon, and he sent David, and he sent Joshua, and he sent Saul, and he sent all kind of people. Right? And the message was, when you go over there, so you must kill everything. You kill woman, children, hog, dog, puss, man, everything you have to kill. No, I don't think the creator work like that. So all of those things is man, right? And put it away. A matter of fact, you see the word God. The word God. It is just like Pepsi, a Grace product. You see me? It's just a brand. You understand? It's just a brand. The word God is just a brand. So they have a brand now, a brand to sell the product. You understand what I say? So that's how Babylon do. They make up and tell us they are God because they want to sell. They want to sell them propaganda, right? So they make up and then tell us, say, they make up and then tell us, say, God this and God do that. And all kind of stuff. Saying, a lot of people are running from reality. And when it comes to certain topic or certain point where you need to touch, and you touch it and tell us, say, you're ungodly. When you touch certain topic and certain point, them tell you how you're ungodly and how you're this and how you're that. God is not a murderer. You understand? Because all the wickedness we are going on earth, you know. How God no send nobody go kill Bill Gates and Anthony Fauci and Joe Biden and all them George Bush and all them blood clot wicked people. How God no rise up nobody if he go kill them and kill them family. The same Bible tell you that today God is the same today, yesterday, and every day God is the same. So if God is terrible, so in a them the time, in a them a couple thousand years ago, wow, God asleep now? God gets soft? I be a fuck and be a lie when I tell upon the creator, man. To make money. Saying? The name God is a brand. When I make for selling a propaganda and for can off people. And people carry money come drop on in a church and telling them fuckery and all kind of stuff. I used to go to church. And the reason why me stop, me have my pastor who used to preach and saying deliver people and he heal people and all that kind of something. And he end up blood clot blind. So that means to say he never good in the first place. Because if you are heal people and deliver people, how come you end up blind? That's my question. So me stop go. Because you help people and you can't help your fucking self. That means you're no good. Only way I believe in a church. And I would believe in a pastor. And all them people that will say them are create work miracles. And all that kind of stuff. I have to say when I go in a hospital and all them people in there. When you go in there go preach and when you go in there go pray, if you fucking one of them get up and walk out, then we say yes, you're a man of God. You're not a man of God, you're a man of the blood clot devil. I'm telling you straight. Because most of you don't know what to do, what to talk, say. You just chat in order to get money. You understand? Because all of this thing will come out now, when them are growing up, I pressure people to do this and we take this and we take that. A church bow first. Me know one lady when me used to work for. When that lady there, you go work for that lady there, she take her 2 hours to go pray in a room. Right? And when time this thing come out, as she first one go take her first joke. You understand? That means to say them weak. Them weak. So you can't come tell me nothing about whatever you not tell me about, man. I believe that I am me. Right? Have the creator in me. So I don't want you to come tell me nothing. And come tell me about me must give me life to Jesus. Jesus give away for him life. For your friend. Lay down his life for a friend. So why me give me life? Give him for me life. And he get clean get way. Eh? Jesus is a white man. That's what them do. And them say, according to Babylon, God white and the devil is fucking black. So why a black man like me must go pray to one white man? Eh? You know better me pray to the fucking devil? Put it away then. Because if the picture is in a society God white and the devil is black. Let me turn over here so. Over my black side. I want to stay over on the white side. So I'm not going to convince me and tell me nothing because most of you are liar and thief. Understand? Party man. No found a pastor. You come and preach about you and lay hands. Lay hands on your mother. You understand? Because you not possess the same power where you feel in your mind, so you possess. We possess more than that, and we possess more than that because we are great. We are lords and gods of the earth. So learn that. We don't make it look like God and the devil is the same thing. Because the devil kill people and God kill people. It can't work so, brother. So that's the reason why I don't believe in no propaganda. We always spread and grow and go chat. And go convince people and all kind of stuff. I see one pastor there, they buy one plane for 500 million. 500 million for carry him. And it takes 17,000 US to gas up the plane. Each time I fly, I look at what hungry people they all about over the world. Like you buy one plane for 500 million and you have another one ready to buy. You buy one for Mel Gibson for 300 or 400 million. And you go buy one now for 500 million. Eh? And you can give some of them money they all about in the world to poor people and homeless people. But you end up buy plane for 500 million. I don't believe in you, I don't trust you, I don't believe in you. I'm glad say the creator expose you, our mother nature, our time, expose you. Because whole pound do worse than what the pastor do this. You understand? If you give him power to say, you can heal, and you can this. You can heal yourself. You understand? You can heal yourself, man, because you possess the power to heal yourself. Right? Just believe in yourself. Right? Just believe in your creator way in you. You understand? Whatever sickness or whatever problem you have, and you heal yourself. You ever hear about placebo effect? Placebo effect? You can heal yourself, man.